Hi, in this video we'll be looking at the random option or the randomization of your lead distribution, and let's go ahead and see that. So I've got a very simple decision tree here with just one question, and obviously in the real world you're going to have a fair few questions, so the purpose here is not to show you how to make a decision tree, but to show you how to distribute the leads. So the very first thing we need to randomize something is a random number generator. So I'm going to show you how to go and do that. So if I just go to open custom fields, go to answer custom fields and just go to rand, and I've already got a random number generator created here. There's a whole article in our help section at LeadsHook.com/help. Just type in a random number and this will pop up over here for you. So I'll walk you through that now. And all it is we're generating random integers, which is whole numbers from 0 through to 100 in this case. You could make it, you could have real numbers as well from 0 to 1. Basically, you decide how you want to randomize your number generation. The first value is the minimum, and the second value is the maximum. So in this case, I'm going from 0 through to 100. And the custom field is called random number generator, and I'm using the calculated field, right? So that's the randomization of, it's going to randomly generate a number every time you use the field. Right, now how do we use that? Let's go back to our decision tree, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay, so randomize. So this is less than 50. Sorry, less than, less than 50. And I'm going to pick my random RAND number generator is less than or equal to 50. And that's it. So obviously if this is less than 50, then the no conditions path is going to be greater than 50, right? So you don't need to create that bit. That's just the opposite of that, or whatever's left over. Right, so I'm going to save and close, and there we have it. Okay, so I'm just going to put 2 results pages here just to show you the randomization. So this is going to be random page A, and let's go ahead and add that in here. So RAND, always click twice, so that the first one you can use as the label, and the other one is going to be the value. Let's just center that. Okay, save and close. Sorry, save and exit. Clone that. And that's going to be page B. Right. Now the reason why we're doing that, now obviously you're not going to put to send the leads out, you're going to use any one of the other lead distribution methods, ESP, email notification, API, or the webhook. But rather than distributing them out, we're just going to see what they look like and just make sure that we are landing on the right page. I'll just go ahead and preview this now. Okay, so I go yes, and page B is greater than is 7. So let's just make sure I've got this right. It's less than 50. I was getting leads on the wrong page because I've got greater than and not less than. Hopefully one of you caught that. All right, less than, save and exit. Let's try that again. Yep, page 8, less than 50. Page 8, less than 50. Yep, so we have a series of less than 50s here. And one more. Yep. Yep. Wow, this is a long sequence of fascinating. Okay. Right, finally got our page B. All right, so the probability of what we just witnessed is going to be quite low, but once again, that's the whole point of randomization, that you want to do that. And so over really large distribution, so over a really large set of trials, so let's say 10,000 or 1,000, you're going to see 50-50, but you could get sequences of the same, so you can have, like, in our case we saw 5 or 6 leads going down the one direction before we saw the other one. So if I just do it one more time, we'll probably, well, once again, the probability is 50-50, so there you go, there's another B here, right? So but over time it's going to equal out to be 50-50. Some users prefer this approach for pure randomization, and it's up to you if you like to use that. So that's the first way of doing it. I will expand this out to show you what to do if you have, say, for example, 3 people you want to randomize across rather than 2. So in this case, we're going 50-50 A and B. Let's say you want to go A, B, C. That's pretty simple. Just go ahead and clone that. And in our case, we're going to go and put 33 here. And that's going to be less than 33. Save and close. It's not technically 33 because, that's going to be, sorry, 66. And that's going to be 66. And then everybody else is the remainder. So now we're going to have 3 exits. And in this case, we're going to add one more page. So let's say we're going to put a B over here, and we'll just clone that and put C over here. So this is randomly distributing to 3 people, 3 lists, 3 ESPs, 3 whatever your 3 is. It's going to be that. So that's going to be random page C. And therefore the distribution is going to happen 3 ways, and then you can go ahead and go 4 ways, 5 ways, 6 ways, as many as you want, and it'll randomly assign one of the leads out there. Right, so hope that gives you a good overview of how to randomize your lead distribution across any number of clients or lists or anything of that sort. If you are doing lots of tests, then this could be something that comes in handy. So this is the random way of distributing leads. In the next video, we'll be looking at sequential. Right, talk to you soon. Bye for now.